Hello, my dear boys and girls. The topic of our lesson, the passive voice. Let's start our lesson. The aim of our lesson, differentiate active and passive voice. Identify the voice of the verb in each sentences. Rewrite the sentence changing the voice from active to passive voice. In today's lesson, present the passive voice, review quantifiers, and do practice tasks. Let's remember. For example, Tom writes the letters. This is sentence in active voice. The subject is Tom, the verb is writes, and the object is the letters. The sentence structure changes if you start sentence with the object of the active sentence as a subject. Let's change this sentence into passive. The letters are written by Tom. What is a passive voice? Что такое пассивный залог? We use the passive forms when we don't know who did the action. For example, the window was broken an hour ago. Пассивный залог – это ситуация, когда подлежащее в предложении «кто» или «что» делает действие не само, а испытывает действие на себе. Кто выполняет действие, нам не всегда важно, а более важен результат. We use a passive voice form when we are interested in what happens, not who it is done by. For example, his watch was stolen in the street. To form the passive verb form, we need the verb to be and the past participle of the main verb. The subject of the active sentence becomes the agent, the person doing the action, and is introduced with by. The passive sentences gives emphasis to the action rather than the person who did it. Now look at the formation of the passive voice in past simple tenses. Affirmative sentence, subject plus was verb plus verb past participle. Negative sentence, subject plus was verb plus not plus verb past participle. And interrogative sentence, was verb plus subject plus verb past participle. And look at the formation of the passive voice in present simple tenses. Affirmative sentence, subject plus am is are plus verb past participle. Negative sentence, subject plus am is are plus not plus past participle. And the interrogative, am is are plus subject and plus verb past participle. Now, look at the video. Examples of passive voice in cartoon. He was proposed a new job. Ему предложили новую работу. She was given a parcel. Ей дали посылку. He is visited and helped. Его навещают и помогают. Her picture is being painted now. Картину сейчас рисуют. Thomas was being chased by Kate all day yesterday. Томас преследовался Катей весь день вчера. Okay, read the passive voice regular verbs. Present in past participle. Clean, cleaned. Decorate, decorated. Display, displayed. Perform, performed. Place, placed. Play, played. Tie, tied. Visit, visited. Watch, watched. Now, let's do the task. Match correct voice. The piano is played by my sister. The house was built by my builders. My sister plays the piano. The builders built the house. Let's check yourself. Well done. The next. Task 2. You should write correct sentence. The first sentence. The local festival held every May. The second. Her book published in 2011. The third. The first pyramids not built Mexico. Okay, let's check. The first sentence. The local festival is held every May. The second. Her book was published in 2011. And the third. The first pyramids weren't built in Mexico. Very good. The next task. You should find and write correct sentence. The milk was drunk. The students are taught by the professor. The book wasn't by her. Итак, ребята, что мы поняли из этого урока? Что такое пассивный залог и как он образуется? Passive voice means that the subject is recipient of a verb's action. Passive voice. The ant was held by the human. Active voice. The human helped the ant. Boys and girls, in today's lesson, we've presented the passive voice, reviewed quantifiers, and done practice tasks. The lesson is over. Goodbye.